وين كان في يصور الجراج كله.
Look, this is a nest in ballyhaunis in Alex's garage. Oh my god, look, little baby is inside now. I think she have a three baby. You see that? It's a lovely baby, look, in the cupboard, in the wall cupboard. She's very nice. Look at that. Woo, lovely. Very nice. I'm just about feet away from her. She's on the check, and also I think few egg left. Very nice. Look, she's in the garage. Look, this is all the can of the paint, of the spray and car cleaning stuff. She came here inside the garage. I think this is a warm place and a safe place also. Yeah, she's nice. I like her. Yeah, look at that. And the guy is bringing the food for her also here. And he gave her food in here. He gave her bread, gave her water, anything she wants. Like, oh, she have the. This is the egg. Have a look. Look, the egg is here now. She dropped. Oh, this is extra. Okay, there she dropped the egg here. I don't know. I think maybe it's extra. All right. Is there another one come? When? When? I can't see it. Okay, anyway, her friend, the male, is bringing the food all the time, and she's still in the nest. She's in that cupboard anyway. Look, it's amazing. She's in there now. Very nice. I'm going to put it in YouTube. Bye bye.